Revolutionary fraternal greetings to all constituent parties of I-Corps and all comrades. We in the CPM Star and all our comrades and friends in India are happy that from a very small but significant beginning, I-Corps has grown into its present stature. The development from ICML-PO to I-Corps was a big step forward. By the second half of 1970s, when the CPC also degenerated to capitalist path, the communist movement was in real crisis. Many among the communist revolutionary organizations were against any international formation. They argued it shall be harmful to revolution. Defeating the sectarian line, upholding the spirit of proletarian nationalism, we went one step forward from ICML-PO to I-Corps. There were protracted discussions before we arrived at the draft program and statute. This helped us to advance to the first World Conference of I-Corps in 2011, a real platform of the revolutionary parties and organizations. Upholding Marxism-Leninism Maoist thought and proletarian internationalism, we have analyzed the transformation of imperialist plunder to neocolonial forms. When under the neoliberal corporate policies, along with the intensification of exploitation of labor by the forces of capital, which has reached unprecedented levels, so also the plunder of nature raising the threat of ecological catastrophe. Now, breaking out of the COVID-19 pandemic, humanity is in a real paralysis. Still, the imperialists and their junior partners everywhere are trying to go back to business as usual. They are trying to throw the burden of the pandemic also to the backs of the toiling and oppressed masses. They further intensify the plunder of nature, destroying the ecosystem and biodiversity. They refuse to change and only interested in further accumulation of wealth in fewer hands. So humanity has only one option before it: either throw out the imperialist system and their lackeys and advance to a new world of people's democracy and socialism, or perish. In this context, I-Corps call for taking up the party building with urgency, develop class struggle to higher levels, and to build up the anti-fascist, anti-imperialist united front has great significance. Let us look forward to form fourth I-Corps World Conference and to strive to advance to newer levels, higher levels in all fronts. Long live world revolution. Dare to defeat neoliberal, corporate, neo-fascist forces and advance to people's democracy and socialism. Long live I-Corps. Red salute to comrades.